Our beautiful teachers have guided us throughout our life and continue to do so for all many students. This song by Jubin Garg is dedicated to all those teachers who, just like the shining stars, guide us throughout the journey of our life.
তুমি যে জিয়া সরাই